Hi, I'm Greg Albrecht. You know, there's a lot of noise out there. I don't need to tell you that. There's a lot of things that cause you unnecessary stress and anxiety. Lots of things you need to unplug from. And conversely, there are things you need to plug into. And a life can be seriously messed up if you're plugged into the wrong things. I know, I've been there, I've done that. And speaking about unplugging, let me get rid of this thing. And let me bring on to the set with me here my newest book, Unplugging. You got the connection now with a prop. Unplugging from religion, connecting with God. I believe that what you need, what I need, what we all need, is to unplug from the religious stuff, the rituals, the dogma, the regulations, the things which actually enslave us, the things which burden us down, thinking that if we do them, then God's going to be happy with us or happier with us on the basis of our performance. And we instead need to connect with God. And one of the sad things in our world, ladies and gentlemen, is that people plug into religion thinking that they're actually connected to God, but they're not. They're just connected to some kind of institution, some sort of some kind of set of rules and regulations and traditions, but they're not connected with God at all. So what I believe you and I, your friends, your loved ones, my friends, my loved ones need more than anything is an intimate connection with God. That's why I've written this book. And I believe that if you read this book, your relationship with God is going to be greatly enhanced. And I think you're going to understand what your relationship with religion needs to be, or doesn't need to be, and how you can unplug from it. So here on our website, we're going to give you all the information about how to order. And I can only tell you, I really hope and pray that you'll do so. This book can be a life changer for you and your family. Thanks for listening.